Okay, good afternoon class. So today we're looking at the revision exercise of the probability grade 9. Which page is this on? Sorry? 390. Alright, so a coin is tossed and a dice is thrown. Draw a tree diagram to show all possible outcomes, determine the probability of. Okay, so of course you're going to get, if I go with the die first. Okay, I could have gone either one. Huh? Okay, let's just do it as it comes in. The coin is either heads or tails. What's the probability on its branches? Half and half. So if the heads on your first toss, what are the outcomes on the dice? Could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 1 out of 6 on each branch. And then of course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 1 out of 6 on each branch. You all agree with that? So it also says list the possible outcomes. So let's list. It could be heads 1, heads 2, heads 3, heads 4, head 5, head 6, tails 1, tails 2, tails 3, tails 4, tails 5, tails 6. You all agree with that? Then of course each branch here will get 1 over 6. If the question was clearly to show all your probability dealing with the branches. Okay, yes Michael? 318. Huh? 318. Okay, thank you. Now the question says determine the probability of getting a head and then a number 4. So how many outcomes are here? There are 6, 12 outcomes, not so. So, and as you know, they are evenly weighted. Okay. So, what's the probability of getting a head and then a number 4? Heads and number 4, it's only 1 out of 12. Or you could have said 1 out of 2 times 1 out of 6 would have also given you 1 out of 12. You guys understand? Number 2 says getting a tail and the number 6. Tail and the number 6 is also 1 out of 12. Let's look at number 3. Number 3 says getting the number 3. How many number 3s are here? 2. So it's 2 out of 12, which is 1 out of 6. Getting an even number, how many even numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 12, which is half. Okay, any confusion there? C. We're told that the box contains 3 iPads, 2 laptops, and 9 mobile phones. There were 3 iPads, 2 laptops, and 9 mobile phones. An item is taken out of the box at random and then put back into the box. The second item is then taken out of the box and once again put back into the box. Draw a tree diagram to show all of the outcomes. We're assuming that the chance of you drawing an iPad is the same as you drawing a laptop, is the same as you drawing a mobile phone. We assume it's the same. But if we put our hand in a box, definitely we'll be pulling the biggest one out. Not so. The chance of us pulling a laptop out would be definitely higher. Not so. But here we assume that it's random, it has the same weighting. Okay. So how many items are there in this box? Sorry? 14. So on your first draw, it could either be an iPad, a laptop, or a mobile phone. What's the chance of you drawing an iPad? 3 out of 14. A laptop? 2 out of 14. A mobile phone? Okay. So this is the first draw. Because we're putting it back, the chances of us drawing an iPhone again is the same. 3 out of 14. Laptop? 2 out of 14. And then 9 out of 14. You guys understand? So let's draw it a bit bigger and make this a bit smaller. Okay, so we see it's going to be 3 out of 14, 2 out of 14, and 9 out of 14. ILM. It's going to be 3 out of 14, 2 out of 14, and 9 out of 14. And likewise, they're the same. Okay. What are my outcomes? Could be iPad. Then iPad, laptop, iPad, mobile phone. Then laptop, iPad, laptop, mobile phone, laptop. Then mobile phone, iPad, mobile phone, laptop, mobile phone, mobile phone. Do you guys understand? How many outcomes are there? 9. Okay. Determine the probability that in the first case an iPad is taken out of the box followed by a laptop. So it's in that order. It didn't say in any order. So that probability is going to be the probability of iPad followed by laptop. This is that one there. Not so. It will be 1 out of 9 chance. Is that correct? No. iPad is? No. This will only work if the weighting is even. Forgot about that. So this weighting is not even. Can you see that? So what should it be? The probability of an iPhone? 3 out of 14 multiplied by 2 out of. There we go. That makes more sense. It's going to be 3 times 6 over 14 squared. 14 times 14. We give you 9 over 98. Is that correct? Huh? 6 over 3 over 98. There you go. There. Okay. B. Both items taken out of the box are mobile phones. So both items being mobile phones is going to be the probability is equal to the probability of mobile. So it's going to be 9 over 14 multiplied by 9 over 14. It's going to be 81 over 196. Okay, good. Then we are told that at least one of the items taken out is an iPad. At least one of the items is an iPad. So can both be iPads? Huh? Yes. So if it says at least one, both could be. Okay, so what is the probability that it's going to be? At least one is going to be an iPad. So could it be II? Yes. IL? Yes. IM? Yes. So earlier on I showed you that this here could just be 3 over 14. Not so? Otherwise you could have said 3 over 14 times 3 over 14 plus 3 over 14 times 2 over 14 plus 3 over 14 times 9 over 14. If you work those three out, you would get 3 over 14. Why? Because this adds up to 1. Did you see that? And 1 times 3 over 14 is 3 over 14. So probability of an iPad plus, it could be laptop iPad, not so? Probability of laptop iPad plus probability of mobile phone iPad. You all agree with that? So we say it's going to be 3 over 14 plus 2 over 14 times iPad. It's going to be 3 over 14. Not so? Plus mobile phone iPad, 9 over 14 times iPhone, 3 over 14. 3 over 14 plus 2 times 3 over 14, 2 over 14 times 3 over 14 plus 9 over 14 times 3 over 14. 75 over 196. Alright, 75 over 196. Okay. No laptop is taken out of the box. No laptop is taken out. Okay. So that one is out. Correct? No laptop. That one is out. And that one's out. So it can be one of these four. So it's going to be, the probability is going to be iPad plus iPad mobile phone plus, that one's completely out. That one's out. So it's going to be mobile phone iPad plus mobile phone mobile. You all okay with that? Alright, so let's go. Okay. Probability of iPad, so it's 3 over 14 times 3 over 14 plus iPad 3 over 14 times mobile phone 9 over 14 plus mobile phone 9 over 14 times iPad 3 over 14 plus mobile phone 9 over 14 times 9 over 14. That simply gives us 3 over 14 times 3 over 14 plus 3 over 14 times 9 over 14. There should have been 14. 3 over 14 times 9 over 14 plus 9 over 14 times 3 over 14 plus 9 over 14 times 9 over 14. 36 over 49. Okay. E. We are told 2 dice are rolled. Complete the following table, which shows the possible outcomes as well as the sum of the two numbers. A few outcomes are done for you. Okay. So 1 and 1 will give you 2. Not so? It's going to be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 and 1 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Complete the probability of obtaining, calculate the probability of obtaining two identical numbers on 2 dice. So how many outcomes are here? How many outcomes are there? Yes. Page 19. So how many outcomes are there? Huh? 36 outcomes, not so. How many display identical numbers? This is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be 6 out of 36, which is 1 out of 6. A prime number. A prime number. What are prime numbers? Numbers that only has 2 factors, 1 and itself. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. So 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 7, 11, 7, 11. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is that correct? 15 out of 36. Of course, it will give you 5 over 12. What do they get?
So I got 9 over 36.
9 over 36. 9 over 36, which is?
Simplify it to 4.
Into?
4.
A quarter. Okay. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I still get 15. They could be wrong. No? Who got the answer of 9 over 36? How did you get 9 over 36?
I didn't include 1
1 and 1. So what's the question? 2 prime numbers. Or the numbers on the dice must be prime numbers. We're doing the sum being prime numbers. So I'm wrong. Not the dice must be a prime number. So we must go again. So the prime numbers is 1 and 1. 1 and, no, not 1. It's going to be 2 and 1. No, both must be prime. So 2 and 2, that is 1. 2 and 3, 6 and 1, no. Nothing in this row is going to be prime. Because yes, it could be. 2 and 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 5. 3 and 2, 3 and 3, 3 and 5. Nothing in this row, no? Because that 4 is not prime. Number 5, 5 and 2, 3, 5, 6, nothing in that row. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes? Sorry? 1 is not a prime number. So it can't be the system. 1 and 4, 1 and 5 can't be. let's count. Now you're getting 9. Yeah, Mr. Sum up completely. 9 over? Thank you. Which is 3 over? Sorry, 1 over? Let's go with the next one, number 3. The sum of 10. So the sum of 10. How many 10s are here? 3. Is that correct? So it will be 3 out of 36, which is 1 out of 12. The sum of 9 or more. 9 or more. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You all agree with that? So it will be 10 over 36, which is 5 over 18. The number less than 9. Can it be 9? No. Anything less than that. It can't be this. Okay, so less than 9. So how many is 9 or more? 36. 10. 36 minus 10 is going to give you 26. So it's going to be 26 over 36. Which is? 2 was here 1. 13. Over 19. Is that correct? 18. I'm saying 19. Okay? At least one number 4. At least one number 4. So can it be 2 4s? Yes. So there is 6 already. There's 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It will be 11 over 36. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Some challenges. 10 balls are put in a bag. A ball is taken out of the bag and put on the table. Tell the probability of taking out a number 7 ball. Number 7 is 1 out of 10. You want to do that? We did the sum already, no?
Yes.
In the grade 8 textbook. Okay. Suppose that the second ball is now taken out of the bag and placed next to the number 7 ball. So remember, if the 7 is taken out, how many balls are left? 9. What's the probability of you taking a 7? What's the probability of taking a number 4? It's 1 out of 9. How many balls are 9 in the bag? 8. Now we are told, suppose that the third ball is now taken out of the bag and placed next to the second ball. Determine the probability of taking a 3 or an 8. People, how many 3s or 8s are there? There are 3 or 8. There's 1, 2. There's going to be 2 out of 8 balls that are left, which is 1 out of 4. Okay. This one we also did already. Or similar. Using the information provided in the diagram, calculate the shaded area. How do you calculate the area, the shaded area? Area is equal to the outer shape, which is a rectangle, the area of the rectangle, minus the area of the circle. How do you calculate the area of a rectangle? Length times breadth. Area of a circle? Pi over square. So what's my length? 50 times 60. 60 times 50 minus pi. Radius. Remember, from center to circumference, your radius. Can you see that? I can't go this way because I don't have that missing length there. So that's going to be 50, so that's going to be 25 millimeters. Can you see that, people? So what do I have? A radius of 25 squared. So it's going to give you 300,000. 3,000 minus 25, so it takes 25 pi. So it's going to be 50 times 60 minus 25 squared pi. Going to give you 1036. 1036, 50 millimeters. Now calculate the probability of throwing a dart in a shaded area. That's a shaded area. The probability is going to be the number of favorable outcomes over the number of possible outcomes. So favorable is what is shaded. So it's 1036,5 over. It's possible to throw anywhere in that square, a rectangle. So it's going to be 50 times 60. Okay. It's going to be answer over 50. Over because it's a 3,000. 0,35. If you want to write this as a percentage, it's going to be 35, or 34,55%. Okay. Any confusion there? Yes?
Why did you say 25 instead of 50 for the radius?
You see, because from here to there, 60. Okay? So you can't be, if you're going to go the half of that, it's going to include this shaded area. You understand? So that's why I can't go 30. And that is stuck there, that's against the ends of that rectangle. That's why I know that that whole length is 50. And that is now half of that, which makes it 25 a piece. Okay? Anything else? You see, is there another sum? Yes? E? This is the last one. Huh? Here we are told you have 50 CDs. You guys know what CDs are, no?
Yes.
Okay. There are 15 CDs and 25 DVDs in a container. 2 items are randomly taken out of the container. What's the probability of both items taken out of the container are DVDs? Okay. So you got CDs and DVD. How many CDs are there? 15 out of 40. DVDs? 25 out of. Now, if I take a CD out of the bag and you first draw, then what's the probability of you drawing a CD on your second draw? Huh? If I took one CD out, how many CDs are left? 14 out of 39. So there was now one less CD in the bag, in the container. If I draw one CD out, how many DVDs are left? Still 25 out of 39. However, if you had drawn a DVD on your first draw, then how many CDs are left? 15 out of 40. So sorry, 15 out of 39. So there was one less CD there. DVD, 24 out of. And what's the condition? The condition says, what's the probability of both items taken out of the container are DVDs? So that's the branch I must follow. So the probability would simply be 25 out of 40 multiplied by 25 over 39. Out of 40 times 24 out of 39. Gives me 5 out of 30. Is that correct? Right. And that brings us to the end of probability. The full lesson can be found in the description box below.